Number 15 says, assume that the segment that appears to be a tangent and solve for x. Well, if it does appear to be a tangent, then the intersection here has to be at 90 degrees. And because it is at 90 degrees, their Pythagorean theorem has to hold valid. That means a squared plus b squared has to be equal to c squared for this to be a tangent. A can be equal to 8, b can be equal to x, and c can be equal to what? 11. It's not just 11 because this is 8. C has to be the entire thing. C is the entire thing. So C is 19. So A is 8 squared plus B is x squared and C is 19 squared. This is 64 plus x squared is equal to 19 squared. That is 361. Subtract 64 to both sides. 361 minus 64. This gets you x squared is equal to 297. Square root both sides. X is equal to the square root of 297. That is x is approximately 17.2. Okay, so that is what x has to be for this to be a tangent.